Let's go ahead and insert some data into a table, and we're going to create a new table too also. Okay. And we're going to use north wind, and let's show tables. So we're going to make a new table called categories. I'm going to go ahead and drop categories, drop table categories, so that I can show you how to make a table. Okay, let's go ahead and clear it up. So let's create table categories, and the convention is that you usually have an open parentheses and then you make a space, and this is the way we learned it in database class, because if we didn't do it this way our teacher would take points off of us from us. But I'm the teacher now and you can't take points from me anymore, Dr. Evil. Alright, category ID, integer, 11 places. We're not going to do null or not nulls, we're just going to go straight to it. Category name, varchar. And some of these category names are pretty long because they're imported food. Description. So we have 3 fields here. Remember, the last field you don't put the comma at the end. Okay. What? Sorry. Description needs a data type. Oops. Long text. There. Is that good enough? You happy now? Okay. So now we're going to insert some data into our table. So let's show tables. Let's make sure we're there. Make sure everything's okay, and do describe tables. Describe. I need to get some sleep. Describe categories. And this is the table we just made. So we can put nulls in there if we want to. Alright, let's clear it up and insert some data, and this is how it's done. This is the syntax. So we're going to insert into categories, and it's going to be category ID, category name. Let's go back and make this a little more symmetrical, shall we? Try to be consistent with everything, because some teachers really are strict. We have a word for that, but it's not a nice word. Okay, description. And to close that up, and then the next keyword is values. Now we only have 3 fields here, so we have category ID. So we're going to put the category in there ourselves, category ID ourselves. Not going to auto increment or anything like that. Not now. Okay. And then let's see. One of our categories will be beverages. If it's a character field, you have to put the quotes, single quotes. Next is the second field, which is all of our beverages, actually. The description of our beverages. So we're going to say into single quote, we're going to say soft drinks, close that quote, open another quote, coffees, close. Wines, is wine a beverage? I think it is. And beers. Alright, now should make sure everything's okay and syntax is right. We don't want it whining at us. And that column, it's whining at us. Okay. So we have 1, 2. Oh, I see what I did. Yeah. Pay attention the stupid thing I did here. Okay. This is one column here, and I made I made a bunch of separate values for each column, and we don't want to do that. Okay. So take that out. And everything is one long text, not several different texts divided by these quotes. Okay. Right here, leave this one here and one quote, and at the end we have another quote. Beers. Now that should work. Column cat doesn't match. What else did I do here? So we got 3 columns. Something I missed here. Well, this should be working. Maybe you have to take out the commas. Shouldn't have to do this. I guess we have to take out the commas. Because this is one long text, actually. Oh man, my old English teacher's probably ranting at me now if she saw this. You can't do that. Why you can put a capital there? Doesn't match a column row. Why not? I don't see why not. So we have category name, category ID, and description. Oh, okay. Learn by my mistakes, okay? Here's our new category name. That's our category name, beverages. Stupid me. Okay. Okay, now we're going. Okay, let's look at that again so you can learn by my idiot mistakes. And what we have here is we have 3 columns over here. We have category ID, category name, and description. And this is our first field is category ID. Our second field is beverages. Our third field is description, and we're describing here the beverages. Okay, so we got that done. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so we just duplicated that row. Okay, so next video what I'm going to do is we're going to insert multiple rows at one time. Okay, thanks for bearing with me in all the mistakes, but this is how it's done, and this is how we insert data into a table using the insert into and values keywords.